Good morning to you all. Today we are going to go through set theory as our topic of the day. As we know, set theory is often referred to the context of the Venn diagram that involves the study of relationships between the three defined sets. In our primaries, we saw the two sets where we had the set of A and set B. We used to have the union, the intersections among others. So the concept that we use in set, the first one is all about a set. A set is just a collection of distinct objects considered as an object in its own right. We can have the set of boys, the set of girls, the set of pencils, among others. Then second, you have the elements, and these are just objects that belongs to a set. Then the union is the sum of all the members in the given sets. Then the intersection, and those are the elements that are in both sets. Then you have the complement, and those are members that do not belong in a given set. So these are the complement of a set. A refer to the element which is not in A and is denoted as A prime or A bar. Then the second concept is all about the Venn diagram representation. For the three sets A, B, and C, the Venn diagram consists of the three overlapping circles, each representing one set. And these circles where they meet, that is all about the intersection. The concept of the union A union B union C is the same as A union B, then in bracket union C. Then the intersection A union B union C is the same as A intersection of B intersection C. Then there is the inclusion-exclusion principle, which is abbreviated as IE principle. We use it to find the union, whereby it says that A union B union C is the same as A plus B plus C then minus intersection of AB minus intersection of AC minus B intersection C then plus the intersection of all. Then we have some sample example here. Let's say we have members of A they are 10, members of B they are 15, for C they are 20. Then intersection, as you are seeing them, AB is 5, then AC is 3 and BC is 7. Intersection of all is 2. Then we can use the inclusion-exclusion principle to find the union of all the three sets, and our union is 32 members. So in conclusion, set theory is fundamental in understanding the relationship among the multiple groups. Venn diagram, they just enable us to simplify our life in calculating the intersections and unions, and this is the way how the Venn diagram looks like as you are seeing it on the screen. Therefore, let's now go through this scenario based number. It says that a GM is in need of adding their number of equipments, but they made a survey of the equipments they used in the previous month, and they made a sample of 60 members. Then the number of those who prefer treadmills, they are 15. Number of those who prefer the stairmasters, they are 30. Number of those who prefer dumbbells, they are 19. And those of T intersection S, they are 80. T intersection D, they are 12. And D intersection S, they are 7. So to solve this Venn diagram, first of all, we need to facilitate. Let treadmills be T, stairmasters be S, and dumbbells be D. And we also define the sets. In other words, we manipulate mathematical statements from the scenario that we are given. After manipulating it, we fill that information in the Venn diagram. First of all, the intersection of all, which is T intersection S intersection D, is 5. But before we fill the information in the Venn diagram, let us first calculate those who need only one equipment. Those who need only treadmills, we use the formula T minus T intersection S minus T intersection D minus T intersection S intersection D, and we get 0 as our answer. So no one that needs only treadmills. Then those who need S only, we have 20, and those who need dumbbells only, we have 5. Then treadmills and stairmills and stairmasters only, we use that formula as you are seeing it on the screen, and we get 3. Remember, they say that those who use treadmills and stairmasters, they are 8. But that 8 is not for only. So we get, to get only, you get 8 minus 5, and we get 3 as our answer. Same applies to T intersection D, we get 7, and S intersection D, we get 2 as our answer of those who prefer only stairmasters and dumbbells only. It is 2. Then we can make a summary of the counts that we have calculated. Those who prefer treadmills only, we got 0. The stairmasters only, we got 20. And those who prefer dumbbells only, we have 5. And the rest as you are seeing them. Then step number 4 is to calculate the total users apart from those who never used any equipment. Let us first get the union of T intersection S intersection D. We use the IE principle. We get T only plus S only plus D only plus TS only plus TD only plus SD only, then plus S intersection T intersection D. And we get 42 as the number of the union of T intersection S intersection D. Then the last step before presenting it on the Venn diagram, it was to calculate the number of members that did not use any equipment, the number of union complement. So we just get the total number, the summation, which was 60, then minus the union, which is 42. Remember, that is the answer that we got, and we get 18 members that did not use any equipment. Then from there you can present it on the Venn diagram as you are seeing on the screen. Let us start answering the tasks that we are given. The first task was all about to find the number of members that did not use any equipment, and those ones we have already calculated them. Our answer is 18 members that never use any equipment. Then task number 2 was to find the probability of those who use at least one equipment, which means the want probability of those who use the 1 equipment, 2 equipments, and 3 equipments. So we just get the total number, which was 60, and we minus those who never use any. 60 minus 18, and we get 42. So probability of at least one equipment is the number of T intersection S number of T union S union D over the total number, which is N, and we get 42 over 60, finally 0.7. It is our answer. Then the third task was to find which equipment that the manager can buy more. And to calculate it, we first get the total number of those who use the only, which is, we got 0 plus 20 plus 5, which is 25, and we get the probability of those who use the only one equipment. We get 25 divided by 60, and we get 0.4167 as our answer. Therefore, we make a conclusion that since probability of only 1 is 0.4167, it exceeds 0.10 that we were given in the question. So we need to advise the manager to purchase more equipments, particularly focusing on the stairmasters, because it is the one with the highest probability, is the one that is most preferable by the members. Thank you for watching. Math is easy for me, but it can be easy for you. Let's share this video for all our colleagues to benefit. It is all about sets. But before we are not supposed to use more number of unknowns when we are solving this number. Share it with your colleagues such that we can all benefit. Thank you for watching.